Today's video is going to be a Sephora try-on haul. I cannot believe it. I have not bought makeup until now from January 24th. So the majority of this year, I was on a total makeup no buy. I didn't buy anything. I did receive a few things in PR, so do keep that in mind. But this is the first makeup purchase I have made since January. I'm proud of myself, I gotta say. So I thought I would do something which I don't normally do, and that is a first impression try-on haul. I am very excited to get into this video. If you are new, please subscribe. And I'm just really excited to try these products. Let's get into this. So if you've been following my no buy, I did say that for June, I could do a low buy. I was on a total no buy from January 24th. And at the end of June, I placed a Sephora order and I bought 5 things, which is what I said I could buy. And so let's just start. I have not used these products. So I thought it'd be fun to do a first impression. I will obviously update once I use the products more. I have been wanting to try the Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint. I have heard really good things about this. And so here it is. I haven't even taken it out of the box. Let's see, what shade did I buy? I bought Light 4. Let's hope that it matches me. I am going to use a very tried and true primer though, since I am going to be using this for the first time. And oh, I'm also at the end going to talk about some ColourPop lip products that I got in PR. And then, oh, I didn't buy any eyeshadow. Can you believe it? I have so much eyeshadow. I said I don't need to buy any. I will throw in a quick little eye look with the Kaja stack, since this is, I think, technically the last eyeshadow product that I purchased at Sephora back in January before I started the no buy. So let's go ahead and use the Smashbox primer, since this is a tried and true, and since I'm trying a new foundation, you know, I want to make sure that I'm using a primer that I know works for me. And I mean, honestly, right now, all of the primers I have, I absolutely love. So, all right. Okay, I'm excited. Should I shake this? I don't know. So it says it's the Always On Radiant Skin Tint. I have heard this is nice medium coverage, skin-like finish, but it's supposed to last pretty well throughout the day. Let's see here. How liquidy is this? Hold on. Yeah, it's kind of liquidy, not ridiculous. I'm going to just put some on the back of my hand first. Let me turn down my light a bit. Okay, hopefully that's less bright. So let's just start putting this on. I'm going to need more. Okay. Should I put on more? Let's just do a tiny bit more. Tiny bit. All right. I'm going to go, let's just, it's off my hand. Why not? Let's not waste any. It's my first makeup purchase in almost 5 months. Yeah. I'm pretty sure, when did I place this Sephora order? Like June 20th, something like that. And so if my last makeup purchase before that was January 24th, hold on, let me do some math. That is almost 5 months. Wow. Go me. Okay, so far I'm really liking the finish, and I'm really liking this color match. What is this? Hold on. Wow, I'm liking the finish. Very natural. Oh, I kind of scraped some off there. Let's just, I know, you're not supposed to do that. Oh well. Okay. Definitely not full coverage, but that's fine. I don't need full coverage. I like it. So we'll see how it lasts throughout the day. Finish looks good. So Beauty Bounce Skin Tint. Again, I had shade Light 4. So the next thing I bought was concealer. Like I said, I did not buy any eyeshadow. But I want to do a very quick look with the Kaja stack. The one I have is in Spiked Ginger. Hold on, I need eye primer. All right, MAC Painterly Paint Pot is on. And so I'm going to use the lightest shade in the Kaja stack. This is going to be a quick thing, but I did this yesterday, this like little eyeliner thing. I'm using this ridiculously small mirror. I can't see what I'm doing, but it's fine. I'm just doing like a light shade all over. Doesn't really matter. Is this video a hot mess already? Quite possibly. Well, now you know why I don't do first impression videos ever. Okay, this mirror is just like, this is not working. Okay, so I've seen people do this before with like this little eyeliner thing. So I have ColourPop in, what is it? Brouhaha. And, okay, finally, decent mirror. Let's just, I'm going to put this on messily because I'm going to blend it out with eyeshadow. Doesn't need to be perfect. All right. Okay, with this darker brown shade and an angled brush, I'm just going to try to blend this out a little bit. All right, this is super messy, I know, but I'm just going to kind of put the shimmer shade all over. And I don't know, when I did this yesterday, I was wearing that in a video, the palette tag video that I did, and I really like how it turned out. I was wearing ColourPop Super Shock shadows for shimmers. So I'm just going to kind of put this all over and hope that it works. This shimmer shade's really, really pretty though. I need to get back into the actual haul, guys. But technically, this particular color I have never used. I got these in PR a few months ago, and I haven't even had time to test them all out yet, but I really like them. Okay, I'm liking this. I think this looks really nice. I think I'm just going to blend this out a bit with the lightest shade, and that's going to be it. Okay, I cleaned up the fallout. I put some moisturizer, technically sunscreen. I like to put my sunscreen under my eyes so that I have extra like sunscreen protection, and then also moisturizer before I go with under eye concealer. I do this every day. I like this simple eye look, and this whole like winged out eyeliner thing. I don't know. Not something I've really done before, but I like it. So the next thing, I've never heard of this brand before, Kulfi. And so I bought their concealer. It's called the Main Match Concealer. I got the shade Ice Ice Berry, which is cute. And yeah, this is made in Canada. And I looked on their website. It is an Asian-based brand, so they did want to cater to more Asian skin tones. But obviously, they have a wide range of stuff and wide range of concealers. So I bought this, and I think it's going to be a very good match. Ice Ice Berry. And yeah, Kulfi, apparently pretty new at Sephora. Or maybe it's been there a while and I don't know because I haven't been shopping. So one of these nice double-sided doe foot applicators. Oh wow, shade match looks good. Guys, so far I'm impressed with my shade matching skills, especially considering I haven't bought makeup in a while. This looks very nice. Maybe I'll just do like a little bit more, but very excited about this. Okay. Blending out well. And then did I say, yeah, I think I said everything is cream products. So I have cream bronzer, highlighter, and blush. So I'm pumped about that. Now, let me show you. Now, this I've heard a lot about. This is the Refi Cream Bronzer. I bought the shade in Sand. Here's the packaging. Very nice, simplistic, very pretty. And all right, here it is. There's a little plastic thingy. This is the shade Sand. Looks nice. So what I've been doing with cream bronzer is I just take my sponge and dip it directly in there. I know it's not fancy. It's not whatever, but it's easy. Ooh, that looks nice. I love cream products, so I'm very excited about this. Okay, you know, just a first impression, but so far I'm like quite impressed on a first impression. So I will update, but so far that is looking good. All right, Refined Cream Bronzer. Wow, I like it. So the blush I bought, I was looking at so many cream and liquid blushes because there's so many out there. And I did go with this because I already have one of these, so I know I like the formula. This is the Rare Beauty blushes, and I wanted another shade, so I bought the shade in Encourage. I love the packaging. The other one I have is the orange one. I think it's called Joy. Let me find it, if I can find it. Hold on, where is it? Here we go. This is the one that I already have, and yeah, this is the orange one in Joy. Very pretty. So I wanted more of a mauve shade. And these, I know they are very, hold on, if I can get this out of there. These are very pigmented, so I'm only gonna do that much for now. And then if I need more, I'll add more. But yeah, look at that. They're so pigmented. But they do blend out because sometimes when you put on a liquid blush, particularly, those can get hard to blend for sure. But let's do like a little under the eyes, which is the trendy thing to do, although I've actually been really enjoying that. It's very pretty. I didn't put on too much. I'm sure I could put on more. But I want to get into the highlighter because this is a brand I wanted to try. Never tried it. So I've never tried this. I've never tried Cold Feet. I've never tried Refi. Never tried the Beauty Blender makeup before. So that's kind of cool. The Say Glowy Super Gel Liquid. Well, it's a liquid highlighter. And I bought the mini for this, which is exciting because I was like, I don't need a full size. So I bought the shade in Star Glow. Very excited about this. So let's just, okay, here it is on the back of my hand. Ooh, that's glowy. And I did see some people do mix this in with their foundation as well. Oh, okay. Hopefully it doesn't like, put some here too, why not? We're going all out. Hopefully it doesn't take away the foundation. That is something I've noticed some liquid highlighters, if you put it on top, it can kind of pick up the product that's underneath. Is that happening? Wow, I'm liking this. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, this is a pretty natural look. I think I'm a fan. I think I'm a fan. So far, I think, you know, everything I bought are winners. So the Say Liquid Highlighter, the Cold Feet Concealer, the Rare Beauty Blush, which I already have one of, Refi Cream Bronzer, and the Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint. So I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and then, oh yeah, I do want to briefly talk about the ColourPop lip products that I got in PR. All right, I'm doing a lip product first impression too. I thought I'd go all out. I did get these in PR from ColourPop, so I wanted to talk to you about them. I felt like the cheek area was looking a bit bare. I should have put on more blush, and then I just got lazy, so I just put on a tiny bit of the bronzer and highlighter from the Natasha Denona face palette. This is the Bronze Cheek palette. So anyway, so far I like everything. Let me talk about these. So ColourPop reformulated the Ultra Glossy Lip, Ultra Matte Lip, and Ultra Blotted Lip. Now, previously, I used to own a ton of the Ultra Glossy Lip, and I really liked it. The Ultra Matte Lip, some of them I felt were really thick and uncomfortable on the lips, but I do like the reformulation. Ultra Blotted Lip, I have never tried. I'm wearing one of them today for the first time ever. Let me figure out which one that is. So I am wearing the Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Zuma. So it's like a really thin formula. It seems comfortable. It's definitely like matte. I don't know. It seems like a matte liquid lipstick, but like a thin one. So anyway, that's what I'm wearing, and I've never tried these before. The Ultra Glossy Lip, I love these. And I loved them before too. I do think this is an improvement though, in that I like this doe foot applicator more. And I think they have a bit more pigment. They're really smooth, really pretty. This is the shade in Hit Snooze. Really nice. Love that. This is another ultra blotted lip in Still an Icon, and I have not used this one yet. Oh, that's a nice kind of mauve. Yeah, so these are like, I would say, a somewhat sheer but matte liquid lipstick because they're definitely matte, but it's comfortable. Let's just keep swatching it. Since we're here, Ultra Matte Lip in Tulum. Haven't used this one yet. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I think I'm going to like that. So personally, I cannot speak to the Ultra Blotted because I have not used them before, but I think the Ultra Matte and the Ultra Glossy are an improvement in the formula. Canon Drive, Ultra Blotted Lip. This is a bolder shade. Yeah, I wonder if this one would be kind of patchy on the lips because it's a somewhat sheer formula. We'll see. I haven't tried it. Ultra Matte and Beeper. This one I was wearing in a video and I am like really into this one. I wore this all day. I went out for brunch and super comfortable. Lasted great throughout the day. Okay, 3 left. I got to keep going. Ultra Matte Lip in Risk Taker. Beautiful red. I'm excited to try this one out. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, I'm excited about that. Ultra Matte Lip in Flurries, which is a mauve. Ooh, pretty. Okay, I'm excited. And then last up, the Ultra Blotted in Attention Please. Ooh, that's going to be fun for summer. Okay. All right. So I've only tested out a few of these so far, but I think the formulas are better. So final thoughts here. I mean, I think this bronzer, I am like in love with it. I think I just got liquid lipstick in my hair. Whatever, I don't have time. I got to keep going. So far, the concealer, I mean, it seems good. I did set it with powder as usual. Really awesome there. The highlighter, I feel like maybe kind of blended away, and that's kind of why I wanted to add more highlighter on top. But again, I'll test it out more. I want to test this also mixed in with foundation because I read a lot of reviews on this on Sephora, and a lot of people said they liked to mix this in with their foundation. This, I should have put more on. I think I didn't put on enough, so I could have gone bolder with that. The only thing I'm noticing so far, again, first impression, I do feel like this kind of settled into my forehead wrinkles kind of quickly, despite the Smashbox primer. But the rest of the face looks really good. I mean, we'll see. I mean, I plan on wearing this all day. So, anyway, I'll do some more testing out. But that's it for this first impressions, which I never do. And I haven't decided what I'm going to do as far as the doe buy. I'm going to go back on the neb buy. Am I going to do low buy again? I don't know. Haven't decided. I can't think about that right now. So thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you have some of these products. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day.